A study was done on the weights of different types of fish in the pond. A random sample of fish were caught and marked in order to ensure that none were weighed more than once. The sample contained 150 largemouth bass, of which 30% weighed more than 2 pounds. Which of the following conclusions is best supported by the sample data? So the thing to keep in mind here is when you're making a conclusion given some information, make sure you don't overly generalize and also don't have any absolutes. So what we find out is there was a random sample of fish that were caught. And in that random group, 150 of them happened to be largemouth bass. And of those 150 largemouth bass, 30% of them weighed more than 2 pounds. So what can we conclude based on that information? Let's go through every choice and see. Choice A says, the majority of all fish in the pond weigh less than 2 pounds. We can't talk about all fish. There was no information on that. That's overly generalizing, so no. The average weight of all fish in the pond is approximately 2 pounds. Again, overly generalizing. We didn't hear anything about all fish, so B is out. Approximately 30% of all fish in the pond weigh more than 2 pounds. So this is more like it, approximately, because it's just giving us a best educated guess. However, we don't know anything about all fish, so C cannot be it. It's got to be D. Approximately 30% of all largemouth bass in the pond weigh more than 2 pounds. This has to be it.